Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Hey, today we're back out on the production floor, and I've got Rich Horn with us, our plant manager, and Jorge, our forklift driver. And here at WireCrafters, we have a safety committee that meets once a month. And I'd like for Rich to tell you exactly what we're going over this month.
Our safety committee is comprised of individuals from the shop floor, like Jorge, as well as the production managers and supervisors. We get together and discuss potential problems in the plant. We discussed that one of the major potentials in our plant for an injury is the pedestrian and a fork truck colliding. So we came out today. I got Milt's team to come out and help me and Jorge create a video that's unique to our problems or opportunities here at the factory. So that's why we're out here today to do the video.
So you know, with the WireCrafter product, it's all about safety, security, and separation. So today we're taking a look at the safety aspect. And we'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt. Thank you for watching Mondays with Milt. Now, if you liked it, click the like button and also click the subscribe button so you can also get more updates from WireCrafters. And thanks again, and we'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.